Old car seat belts turn into bags, wallets, totes, laptop sleeves, etc. Sound interesting enough? A Gurugram-based company named Jaggery Bags is based on this very principle and has turned it into a very successful business model. India has lakhs of little startups. Some of these startups make it big while others don't. Some other startups make it big thanks to the ingenuity of the idea on which it is based. Jaggery Bags seems like the perfect example for this type of business. The Indian car market is among the biggest in the world. As a result of this, thousands of cars involuntarily end up at the scrapyards based on the outskirts of metropolitan cities. Some of these cars have met with accidents and some others are scrapped just because of their age. Most of the parts of a car are recycled or upcycled. It is common to think that glass can be melted to form new glass, and the same can be done with plastics and metal as well. However, it is uncommon to think of a way to upcycle seat belts and cargo belts. That is exactly what sets Gautam Malik apart. Gautam Malik is the founder of Jaggery Bags. Being inspired by the eco-friendly materials and sustainability of the town of Auroville near Pondicherry, Gautam at a later stage in his life ended up running a successful business by upcycling old car seat belts. It is a simple idea indeed. The dirty old car seat belts come in from different parts of the country. They are cleaned, then measured and dyed, and various products are made from it. The eco-friendly bags made from old car seat belts are then put up for sale. So far, Jaggery Bags has upcycled nearly 4,000 meters of car seat belts and nearly 1,000 meters of cargo belts. They have been turned into various products like organisers, travel kits, laptop sleeves, passport jackets, pouches, messenger bags, etc. The brand has also received recognition from international markets for its brilliantly designed products. Ingenuity at its best indeed. Thank you for watching DriveSpark. Like, share and subscribe to stay in the know of the latest happenings in the auto industry.